Oh, then fare thee well, sweet Donegal, the roses and Gidon. Hello there, how are you doing? It's Daniel O'Donnell here. I want to tell you about this lovely calendar, Féilire 2021, a lovely calendar for 2021, produced by a Donegal man called Eamon Coyle. Now, the proceeds for this calendar are going to the St Vincent de Paul and the Peter McFerry Trust. These are difficult times for so many people, but these charities do great work and very difficult for them to raise the much needed funds that they would normally get. So this is a great idea. You can find out all the information on Eamon's website. And if you can at all, it's lovely scenes of different parts of Ireland, and it's a lovely thing to have hanging up. And all of the details on the calendars in Irish. So a lovely thing to have if you can at all. Visit Eamon Coyle's website and get the information. Thank you very much. I'm crossing the